All right, so this video is how to get set up for a chest tube. This chest tube insertion kit is located in room 25. There's a light cabinet in there. So some of the techs have memorized what's actually needed out of this tub, so they don't necessarily grab the tub. They can just get the stuff out of the trauma cart. But things like scalpels are in here that the doctor will need, and the sutures they'll want around here, and then the special gauzes when they go to tape it down, and some tubing and 4x4s to occlude the dressing. It looks like there's sterile drapes in here, and then some of this, what is this called?
Mediport tape.
Mediport tape, okay. I call it gauzy tape.
This is the 5-in-1 connector that they'll need to connect the atrium to the chest tube.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
All right, so that's everything that's in here, and the atrium can be grabbed. This is the dry suction setup that we hang on, put on the floor or hang on the bed, and that can be retrieved from the trauma cart or from the Omnicell. And then a chest tube tray, which is going to be marked as such, and these are found in the trauma carts and anywhere else in the department. You said, okay, just the trauma
Sometimes
carts.
the cabinets in that 20.
Some extra ones in 25.
Okay, there might be extra ones in 25 if we need them. Otherwise, they're here in the trauma cart. And then the chest tubes, they got traditional large French chest tubes are in the trauma cart drawer. They may ask for 1 or 2 different sizes, and then you'll just take them out and have them ready for the doctor, right?
So they're sterile inside, so don't touch the inside too.
Okay. Tab said they're sterile on the inside, so don't touch the inside, but you'll just grab them for the doctor to have. And occasionally they may ask for a Cook catheter or a pigtail catheter, which Cook is the brand name. So it looks like this, Cook Medical. It's called a pneumothorax set, but it's a 9 French tube, and it's like a smaller size chest tube, basically, that they may decide to put in. So pigtail or Cook catheter, this is what that is. And it's up in this cupboard above the trauma cart or in the Omnicell right over there. Nobody really loves to be on camera. Okay, so we're gonna open up this atrium and actually put it together. Do you mind to do that, Amber?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about the video
Yeah.
quality.
So we'll move over to the second. All right. Atrium.
All right, and Tabitha's getting the suction set up. Okay, so everything in here is sterile, right?
It doesn't have to be because it's going to
Okay.
be hooked on the edge of the bed.
And
And
you
you
just
just,
part they connect is sterile.
yeah, you don't want to touch the part that's going to connect to the 5-in-1.
Okay, is
So
that
this-
covered with something?
This
All
is
right.
how it opens. So the water right here, you kind of pull this out
Okay.
and then you twist out the top. Water goes in blue.
Okay.
You just squish it all. And then this is also where you're going to connect this suction into the
Okay.
where you poured the water.
Okay.
So you kind of keep this stuff all kind of set like that until the doc
Okay.
is going to need it. And then let's see. I'll show them. So that's the sterile end.
Okay.
So when they need it, they're going to open it up and then connect the suction chest tube to it.
Yes, okay.
So this we can bring over to the suction. And you want to put it on regular, not intermittent suction,
Okay.
as high as it can go.
Okay, the highest suction, regular and not intermittent. I know it seems like we should all know these things, but I feel like that's just so
And then you'll see little bubbles.
Okay.
Continuous means there's a leak, but because it's not hooked up, that's where there's
Okay.
a leak.
So we're seeing bubbles because there's a leak because we're not actually hooked up to a patient.
Yep.
Okay. All right, and then it would be ready.
Yep. And then there's hooks on the top to hook them onto the bed. Because you don't want this to tilt over or else the water will spill out.
Never raise it above the patient's heart either.
Yeah, yeah.
All the pneumo.
Okay, so don't tip it over. Don't raise it above the patient's heart. It can hang on the side of the
Lower.
bed.
Yep.
It can sit on the floor too, right?
Yeah, and I think
Okay.
somebody said to tape it to the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, tape it to the
People
floor.
kick
because-
it.
Some
Yeah,
people don't kick it,
okay.
but-
Just make sure it doesn't get tilted.
Just kind of.
All right, and then that's that. Thanks, you guys.